Top 5 evidence-based HIIT routines for beginners.
Looking to boost your fitness efficiently? These 5 beginner-friendly HIIT routines balance effective training with manageable intensity, backed by expert research. Discover routines that maximize results in minimal time, perfect if you're new to high-intensity interval training and want to ease into a healthier lifestyle.
1. 20-minute bodyweight interval circuit.
Start with a simple circuit using just your body weight. Alternate 30 seconds of jumping jacks, squats, mountain climbers, and push-ups with 30 seconds of rest. Repeat the cycle 4 times. Research shows bodyweight HIIT routines improve cardiovascular health and endurance, making this routine ideal for beginners. No equipment needed.
2. Low-impact cardio intervals.
For those seeking a joint-friendly option, try low-impact intervals. Do 40 seconds of marching in place or step touches, followed by 20 seconds of rest. Cycle through 5 to 8 rounds. Studies confirm that low-impact HIIT improves fitness while reducing injury risk, so it's especially suitable if you're easing into exercise.
3. Walking or treadmill HIIT.
HIIT isn't just for running. Walking intervals are backed by research for beginners. Walk briskly for 1 minute, then follow with a slower pace for 1 minute. Repeat for 15 to 20 minutes total. This routine works well outdoors or on a treadmill, helping you build endurance without feeling overwhelmed.
4. Beginner Tabata routine.
Tabata is a specific HIIT style with 20 seconds of work followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated for 4 minutes. Try air squats and gentle push-ups. Do 4 rounds of each with a short break between exercises. Evidence shows modified Tabata protocols safely improve strength and fitness in beginners.
5. HIIT with resistance bands.
Add light resistance bands for a beginner HIIT routine. Alternate 30 seconds of banded rows, seated banded chest presses, and bodyweight lunges with rests. Complete 3 to 4 rounds. Research indicates resistance band HIIT enhances muscle tone without the risk of heavy weights, making exercise safe and effective for newcomers.
Getting started safely with HIIT.
When starting any HIIT routine, listen to your body, emphasize form, and rest as needed. Begin with lower intensity and gradually increase effort as you gain confidence. These routines, supported by evidence, will help you build a solid fitness foundation. Always consider consulting a health professional before beginning a new exercise regimen.